What happened with my Fisker? It's gone, and I said bye bye when it was got picked up. What happened? How did Fisker done? What is going on at the moment? This is what we're doing discover in this video. So stay tuned. I'm Patrick. I will be your host for today, and welcome to Gentleman's World. So you guys been asking yourself what happened to the car? It was roughly 9:15 in the evening, and I heard this consistently sirena going on. I thought like, ooh, what's going on here? But I didn't talk too much about it because we are living also in an industrial area, so a lot of companies around, and sometimes the sirena is going on. Also, our residentials are protected. The cars, like have an alarm. We didn't talk about too much, but it didn't stop. So I thought like, okay, let's go out of the balcony and look, like maybe you can hear somewhere from which direction it comes, and it was super close by. So I thought, oh, maybe it's the Fisker. So I went down to my car, and it was the Fisker. So it took about 15 minutes. I couldn't enter the car. The RFID didn't work on the door handles, couldn't open it, but then it was silent and it was dead. Okay, so what did I do? I contacted straight Fisker in California. 3 minutes later, they told me there will be somebody contacting you in Germany. I was like, in Germany at this time? No way. 5 minutes later, I get my main contact on the phone. He said, Patrick, stay calm. Everything is okay. We're going to pick up your car by tomorrow. We take care about everything. You don't need to mind. That's really a super duper service. Yeah. They anyhow said to me, we need to take your car in because my OTA didn't work, my over-the-air update, due to the fact I'm living in this little bit old-fashioned area where we don't have too much Wi-Fi connections. This is usual in the third world country, Germany. We are not so digitalized like you in the US, for example. And therefore, we needed to bring in anyhow your car. As said, next day, they picked the car up. Everything runs smooth. Here, you see the picture how it went. I give you 2 reasons why you should like and subscribe my channel right now, even when I don't have the Fisker. First reason, this is the area where the automotive industry is born. We're in Stuttgart, it's a lovely area, and we have 2 manufacturers here, Mercedes and Porsche. And the second reason why you should like and subscribe is, to the fact I don't have the Fisker yet, I'm going to test the Fisker against one of these premium cars. So stay tuned and don't miss the video. It's comes soon. If there are any news about the Fisker, I will let you know on this channel. I will let you know how Fisker done, what was the issue, and there will be plenty of other videos coming where I'm showing the advantage and disadvantage of a Fisker Ocean One, and I'm going to challenge him to other cars, as Tesla Y, for example. So stay tuned on my channel. It was really a pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much. Vielen Dank für eure Zuschauer und vielen Dank für eure Likes. Thanks for your support. Thanks to the community. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye bye.